Gardenia and Ylang scented candle, soy candle for home, large glass jar candle gift, 90 hours long burning, 19.4 ounces. Large size and extraordinary burn time, 19.4 A/550 G. Can sustain for up to 90 hours of burn time, giving you a long-lasting sensory journey with natural soy wax that is vegan. Caldrea scented candle, made with essential oils and other thoughtfully chosen ingredients, 45-hour burn time, sea salt narrowly scent, 8.1 ounces, packaging may vary. New look, same great scent. Packaging may vary. Contains essential oils and other thoughtfully chosen ingredients. Base made from vegetable wax and beeswax. JOLIE MUSE Marine Breeze Scented Candle, Natural Soy Candle for Home, 90 hours long burning, large glass jar candles, 19.4 ounces. JOLIE MUSE Wood Wick 19.4 ounces Sandalwood Scented Candle Soy Wax Candle Large Glass Jar 90 hours, gift candle for her. Size and burn time, 19.4 A/550 G. Long-lasting burning of 90 to 100 hours guaranteed to bring you maximized relaxation. Classic crackling, equipped with special wood wick, this candle crackles at the time of burning to deliver serenity for your in-depth relaxation with mind-calming benefit by recalling the comforting fireplace at home. Tip: fully light the wood wick and keep it burning for 4 hours at first time for an even burn.